Welcome to my channel StoryHunt.
Flutter, flutter in the sky, birds of colors passing by. Here are names, let's sing along as we learn them with this song. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O, doubling joyfully here and now. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, with feathers bright in a grand display. Kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, diving swiftly in rivers, no bother. Crow, C-R-O-W, calling loud wherever they go. Parrot, P-A-R-O-T, mimicking sounds so clever and neat. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, cozy in cities always seen. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, soaring high with eyes keen. Owl, O-W-L, hooting at night, so mysterious and droll. Myna, M-Y-N-A, talking back in its own way. Woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, tapping rhythmically, making us remember. Flutter, flutter in the sky, birds of colors passing by. We've learned their names, now let's go see these feathered friends so wild and free.
Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.